Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manjuna Chandriya. Today's session will be learning how to recover a new unsaved Excel file. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and learnings. Let's start. We usually come across most of them already come across where one or other time when we working on a new Excel file without saving, we did all the hard work and without saving, and suddenly we mistakenly close the file or the power goes and we lose our entire data, right? I think everybody have gone through that frustration. There is one option to recover it. Let's see how can we do it, right? So you have a file with the data and it says book 2. This is not saved, right? So I have not said saved this file. Let's try closing this file and let's see like can we able to recover the file. So I'm just clicking here. So I'm going and clicking don't save. So I lost the data now. Let's open a new Excel file. Let's see if we can able to recover it, right? So I just open it. Go to file. In file, go to open. In open in the recent, come down. You can see a option called as recover unsaved book workbooks. Just click on it. So now you can see here the version. The last it was 1:29 a.m. So if you click and open it, now you can see the data which I have not saved, and it is asking you the option to save it. If you want, you can go ahead and save as and save your file. It's a very helpful function and really to help us to save most of the time which we worked on this. For this, there is one thing we need to make sure that whether it is checked it. That is when you go to the file, to the options, go to the more options. Under options, you can see the save. Usually, you can see here save the auto recovery information. So usually it will be auto. It's usually it's a default checked in. If it is not checked, make sure that it is checked, and you can set it. Usually it will be 10 minutes. If you want, you can set it for 5 minutes. So what it does is it auto saves the file and keeps the that auto saved file in this location. See, it is showing my location where it will this file will be there. Even the file which is a new file which you are not saved for one time, still it will go and stay. It will be placed here. So make sure that you see that it is checked. For that, if you want, you can go to file, more options, save, and these two things should be checked in, right? If you have that, then no problem. It will help you to recover your file. I think very simple function, and it saves your time. Let's see. There is one more thing. You have a so I have a file which I have saved it here. This is the file. Let's say we make some changes here. This is existing file which is already saved in the folder. So we sometimes we come across this when the Excel doesn't work and we need to do the task in task. So if you right click here, task manager, and click the Excel one and in task. So now your file has been closed, right? When you open it, so because you did something there and you not saved it, and the Excel got closed. So now you can see the recovery option here. So it shows the time when it was last saved, and this is the book 2 which version. We can also recover from here. So these two options very helpful, and it will save a lot of time to recover your file which is not at all saved. Also you can recover using this option open recent, use this recovery unsaved workbooks, or you can also use the information here. Go to manage workbooks. It says recover unsaved workbooks. Click. So it will open you the folder. You can also retrieve your file, right? So very simple, and then you can go ahead and save it. There is one more option where Sometimes it's a saved file. A lot of people are working on the same file. You can use that. You can go to the folder where you have saved it. Right click, properties. You can see the reverse previous version. Usually you'll get the previous version, but that should be checked in. If it is not, then it may not work for you. So make sure that the file, more, options, saved. This will be a default one. Even if it is not checked, please go ahead and check it so that whenever a new file which you have worked on it, which is not saved, and it will be stored in that unsaved files. I hope this was very helpful. If you think this video was interesting, do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and learnings. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.